See, I've attended automation, which I'm trying at my end.
Mm-hmm.
When it's not required right now at my job place, but
Okay.
I'm trying to adopt it
Mm-hmm.
because it was a good thing, a new thing, automation. So you automate your emails, your things, anything you can automate.
Yeah.
And other things are like, how you can make your PPTs
Mm-hmm.
and design your PPTs. So that was a good session. So yes, I've started doing it for myself,
Mm-hmm.
making PPTs from that. But that is not like so much right now in my job phase.
Mm-hmm.
More than I'm practicing is prompt engineering. So I was taught about prompt engineering. I'm applying that because in my next job, the one which I'll be joining on 10th of December.
Okay.
So I need more of prompt
Prompt
engineering there.
engineering part. Uh-huh.
Yes, it's more than what I expected.
Okay.
So it's like a 30% hike on my current salary, which was difficult otherwise. I was getting a 20% or 15 to 20% hike, but
Mm-hmm.
this one was a real good one.
Right.
It's 30 point something, 30
Okay.
point something percent hike
So,
because they're happy that I'm AI friendly.
hi Parminder ji, welcome. We are really very excited to have you with us today. And before we dive in, how are you feeling today?
Yeah, hi Anushka. Thank you for a warm welcome. And I'm feeling great and really happy about this achievement and being invited by be10x. So thank you
Amazing.
so much.
Yeah, wonderful. So today's conversation is not just about your achievement and your success story. It's about your struggles. It's about your mindset shift that you had. And it's about the result that you had after, doing all of the struggles. So a very hearty welcome to you once again. And let's start by your brief introduction. So please introduce yourselves.
Yeah, I am Parminder Kaur and I'm working as a content writer and copywriter with one of the travel companies in Mumbai. And I started my journey as a content writer in my lockdown phase. I began as a freelance content writer with one of the alternative healing therapies foundation.
Mm-hmm.
And I began with my creativity and writing for social media and posting, making images on Canva. So that's how I was triggered that, I can grow as a content writer.
Mm-hmm.
But being a content writer without having any experience was a bit challenging for me.
Mm-hmm.
And then I thought, let me venture into a proper job. It's a freelance work. So eventually, after searching for a job, I got a good job in content writing. That was my first job at the age of around 42, 43 of my life. I
Okay.
mean, prior to that, I have been a communication skills trainer all my life. Like maybe my career span for around 13 years before that
Mm-hmm.
into the same field. So then, being a content writer was a different version of me, and I left the field of training to transform as a content writer. I mean, I had a good handholding over writing because being a trainer, you also have to write and prepare your own modules and write things for your students and the participants. So I had a different journey from there, and believe me, since then I have been on an upskill, like always trying to grow
Mm-hmm.
and learn new things. So my first job as a content writer was with a dental firm, and
Okay.
I was a B2C writer among all the dentists. So
Mm-hmm.
the dentists used to write the B2B content, and I was the B2C writer. So I learned that I am quite creative
Mm-hmm.
and I can present my thoughts creatively. So still you are not enough. Like you don't feel that you've done a good thing or achieved something great.
Mm-hmm.
So though it was a good exposure, I learned a lot about how to write content for digital world and be a writer, on a constant journey, writing and spilling content, which is really going to attract people, get leads and all. So slowly I started feeling that, it is something which is a challenge. You need to constantly update yourself.
Right.
So it's not enough just to write what you know. And then there was ChatGPT already. It had entered in lockdown phase or somewhere around that. So
Definitely.
we also started relying on ChatGPT to refine our content or to know better. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
something is better than writers. So, however, we started using it as a helping tool.
Mm-hmm.
So then always, I was having a mindset that let me try more things and grow faster, because
Mm-hmm.
I had entered at a very, like, at a stage which is almost exhausting, 41, 42. So then I got another job,
Mm-hmm.
wherein again I was a content writer, copywriter. So here it was a startup.
Okay.
So I really felt blank, what to do, because there were no hands, there were no,
Mm-hmm.
more people there. So again, I had a struggle. Uh, what is the strategy? How can I make content, work for the company? How to get leads or make a mark,
Mm-hmm.
make a go for brand awareness. So again, I had ChatGPT at my course, so I
Yeah.
started getting more things. I learned. I mean, but then I slowly found that I'm depending a lot on ChatGPT.
That's it. Mm.
So then again, after some time, it felt there is still more struggle to go.
Mm-hmm.
Like, how can I be a good content writer, copywriter? But then eventually, when we use social media, we come across the programs like yours. Come on, be an AI writer.
Mm-hmm.
Don't just stick to this, because the world is growing. So if you just be a sort of writing worm, as we call bookworms, so don't be a writing worm. You need to explore and get into more detailings. So then I felt a need. Yes, there is a need of upscaling myself,
Mm-hmm.
and I did not have any interest in digital marketing as such, like performance marketing and all.
Mm-hmm.
So I did try it, but somehow I couldn't connect myself. So
Mm-hmm.
I wanted something which would at this age also give me an exposure. Plus there is a competition, there is a young crowd coming in.
Right.
So, and I was convinced with what be10x said, that any age group, any experience,
Mm-hmm.
would not matter if you are an AI expert. So then every time it was there on the screen, be an AI writer, otherwise you'll be out of the competition or something. So there was also a FOMO factor here,
Mm-hmm.
that maybe I need to upscale it quickly.
What exactly are you implementing in your day-to-day work life? And is there any particular tool or is there any particular concept that is, helpful for you in your day-to-day work life?
See, I've attended like automation, which I'm trying at my end.
Mm-hmm.
When it's not required right now at my job place, but
Okay.
I'm trying to adopt it,
Mm-hmm.
because it was a good thing, a new thing, automation. So you automate your emails, your things, anything you can automate.
Yeah.
And other things are like, how you can make your PPTs
Mm-hmm.
and design your PPTs. So that was a good session. So yes, I've started doing it for myself,
Mm-hmm.
making PPTs from that. But that is not like so much right now in my job phase.
Mm-hmm.
More than I'm practicing is prompt engineering. So I was taught about prompt engineering. I'm applying that, because in my next job, the one which I'll be joining on 10th of December.
Okay.
So I need more of prompt
Prompt
engineering there.
engineering part. Uh-huh.
Yes.
Okay. Mm-hmm. So, how much percent salary hike have you got with the new opportunity?
It is more than what I expected.
Okay.
So it's like 30% hike on my current salary, which was difficult otherwise. I was getting a 20% or 15 to 20% hike, but
Mm-hmm.
this one was a real good one.
Right.
It's 30 point something, 30
Okay.
point something percent hike,
So,
because they're happy that I'm AI friendly.
yeah. So, just after joining the AI Career Accelerator program, you have got seen the difference there.
Yes, so one which they told me about LM, book and Gamma and Sora and everything. So I could
Mhm.
share the things to them
Right.
straight away. So after second, I was already having it in my mind, and fifth, I could crack the interview. So that was good.
Yes,
So
yes.
the program had not even formally started, actually.
Definitely. So thank you, Parminder. It was really very nice, interacting with you and knowing your success story. Is there anything you would like to add or share?
Uh, I would like to share one thing, which would be like a women empowerment.
Mm-hmm.
So on those notes, that if you feel that you're just stuck with a degree, or if you're just at home being a housewife or maybe a mother, or just missing yourself or lost somewhere, come on, learn AI and start a fresh journey, and you can instantly have a good income, and you'll be somewhere else. You'll have a major shift in your life. So I would say for all the women and girls, if they are just idle or lost in their career or something,
Mhm.
so AI is the calling for you, I would say.
Thank you. It's really very inspiring story for all our, female learners as well. Yeah. So thank you so
Yes.
much. Thank you so much, Parminder. It was really very nice connecting with you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank
Thank
you.
you. Yeah. Thank you. Bye bye.
Okay. Bye. Take care.